is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And you can tell because I got my towel on that I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my twist out. Now, it's been a few years since I done a twist out, but it could be a fail. So it could be a fail, but I'm gonna have faith like I did. Well, I didn't have faith, so let me stop lying. I thought it was going to be a fail with my radar. If y'all haven't seen that video, it is linked below in my natural hair playlist. I'm going to have that link below as well as my protective style playlist, so you guys can check those out. But I'm going to try to get it popping like I used to. Like, my twist outs used to be bomb because I couldn't do a wash and go, so that's all I did. But I haven't did it in like maybe a year or two, so I'm going to go ahead and try. It's actually two ways that I do it. I'm going to do this one the way that I first originally started doing them, and then maybe later on down the line, or maybe the next video, you never even know, I'll show you the other way I do them. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. As you already know, I don't know if I said it already, but I start with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. This hair is just looking good lately. No product. Like, my hair is showing out lately, honey. Okay, showing out. So I'm gonna use 3 products. I think that's like my go-to. Like, I normally always use 3 products. I've never used this before, so it is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Yogurt Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. So I'm gonna use this. Never used it before. The TGIN Twist and Define Cream. This is like my second time using this. I liked it. I actually probably could just get away with those 2, but just because I haven't done these combos before, and because I haven't done a wash and go in a twist out in a long time, I want to go back to my old faithful, and that's the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this on top as well. So, I'm gonna start by dividing my hair in half, going from ear to ear. And because you guys can't see me doing the back that well, I'm going to go ahead and do the back, and then I will come back when it's time to do the front, okay? Okay, you guys, so I finished the back. I got 4 twists in total. And then I'm just going to do the top. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to rock this as a side part, but I'm still going to just go ahead and part it straight down the middle. Doesn't have to be straight, like a perfect part or whatever, because I don't plan on wearing it like that. And then I'm gonna pin up one side and focus on one side at a time. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the leave-in spray. It's really lightweight, so I really don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna go in with the Twist and Defining Cream by TGIN. And then just to top it off with another Twist and Defining Cream by As I Am. Go in and detangle. So, flat twist is what I do. And it's just so the roots, like, this is when I want it more defined. Now you're gonna take a little bit from the top, like so. So you have this piece and this is your rest. You're gonna take these 2. You're gonna take this piece, split it in 2, and then twist. And then as you're twisting, pick up hair. So twist, hair, twist, and then you pick up hair with those pointer fingers. Your pointer finger and your thumb. Twist, and pick up hair, twist, pick up hair, twist, pick up hair, twist, pick up hair. Until all the hair is in there, and then I just do a regular 2-strand twist down the rest. And then I coil the ends, well, attempt to. go in and get your next twist. And I try not to make them too small, but also not too big. You pick up the first section, divide it in two, and twist around it so, and pick up hair as you go.
Hold on, they young.
Back on camera when I look this crazy, but I have a total of 12 flat twists in my head, so I will let these dry overnight and I'm gonna come back to you guys with the takedown. So I'm hoping it comes out right. I've never used these products together, and I haven't did a twist out in like 2 years, so this is what I used to do. I used to use different products then, but let's just hope for the best. Okay, guys, it is the next day, so now I'm finna hit y'all with the takedown process. So, first things first, I'm gonna add a little oil to my hands just to cut back on frizz. Even though I don't really care about frizz, but just so it doesn't be that bad. It feels like it's all dry, so let's hope. I am going to do the back first.
Hold on, they young.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look that I decided on. I decided to pin it up a little bit on the side with a couple bobby pins. And yeah, this is how it came out. I like it. The products worked really, really well together, so I did like that. It is some frizz, but that's because I picked it a lot. And of course, from like unraveling it and taking it down and stuff like that, you're gonna get some frizz, and from picking it. So I like the way it turned out. You guys let me know what you think. It is really big. Like, it's shocking me how big it is. I forgot how big twist outs can get. Like, my wash and goes don't get this big and still have definition. Like, I'm almost throwing it out here, like, almost. Yeah, it's really defined. See that? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.